1731 Horseshoe Circle. We walk inside, fireplace, living room area, head over to the kitchen. You've got granite countertops, fridge included. Walk over here. Whoops. It's got some pantry space, washer dryer hookup. Got the yard outside, concrete patio area. We've got some more yard area over here with the AC unit. Come back over through the kitchen into the dining area. Walk over into the bathroom. Bathtub, shower. We've got the water heater. The garage in here. One car garage. Over to a bedroom with some closet space and a little nook over here. You've got another bedroom, double door closet space with a little nook and a big window. And the master is off of the living area. Nice big closet. And you've got the master bathroom right there.